Today's topic is starting a business using your 401k. Couple words of caution. The first being you need to check and make sure that your administrator of your 401k program, and actually your 401k program allows loans of your 401k to make that an option. The second is you want to make sure that the rate of return you're going to finally achieve in your business exceeds the rate of your return that you're earning in your 401k, or else, obviously the net benefit of it isn't going to be worthwhile. So what you want to do in order to make that 401k work for you, you have two options. You can just take that loan out and put that money into the working capital that you have planned, or depending on the rate of return that you're going to be earning and what it is invested at, you may choose to just leave it in there and obligate it as a collateral for borrowing to start your business. So there's more than one way to use your 401k to start that business.